let it.
Okay, hello again. Welcome back to my channel. So now we will be answering this problem. So what is the fourth root of 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 4? Okay, so let's begin. This is the solution. So we have 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 4. So we are asked to find the fourth root of this expression. So in order to get the fourth root of that, need to multiply that by 1/4. Diba? We know that, for example, we have here x to the power of 1/2. This is just simply equal to the square root of x. So the denominator of the exponent is the index of your radical expression. Then this one here is the exponent of x. So if wala yung nakalagay na 2 dyan, it is assumed that the number inside here is 2. So, pwede natin siyang i-erase. So, ito, balik tayo dito. So, this is the exponent of this. The base is 4 and the exponent is 4 to the 4. Then we have 1/4. Then we know that one of the law of exponent, say for example, if we have a to the power of b, then you are going to raise that by, say for example, x. That is just simply a to the power b times x. So this is a to the power of b x. So ganyan yung gagawin natin dito. So we will just take, okay, we can copy the base here. 4 to the power of 4 and 4 times 1/4. Now, pwede natin tong isolve ito na part, yung exponent na part. So, 4 to the 4 times 1/4 is just simply equal to 4 to the 4 times 4 to the negative 1. Bali, kinuha natin yung reciprocal nito. Kaya, ito yung result niya. So, by law of exponent, you just simply add their exponents. So, we have 4 plus 2 plus negative 1. So, that is just simply equal to 4 plus minus 1 is just 4 minus 1. So, that is 3. So, this is simply equal to 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. And if you are going to get the value of that using calculator, you have 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Malaki pala ang answer dito. So, ang nakalagay dito is in scientific notation, 3 times 40, 2.823.669 times 10 to the power of 38. Medyo malaking malaking number. So, 10 to the power of 38. So, you just simply count 38 from this point to the right side. So, yan yung actual value nito. 4 to the power of 443. Bali, equal lang siya if you are going to, okay, 4 to the power of 3 is just 64. So, ito yung magiging value niya. Multiply 4 by itself 64 times. Ito yung magiging value in scientific notation form. You can get the actual value by simply putting these points to the 38 units to the left side, to the right side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on so forth hanggang 38. Yan yung actual na value ng nito. So, medyo malaking value. Hindi siya kakayanin ng calculator because limited lang yung digits na isi-show ng calculator. Pati na ng computer, siguro, I don't know if kaya ba siyang ipakita lahat sa computer. Pero in terms of this, sa ganitong mga situation, usually ginagamit nila is yung mga supercomputers. So that's it. Thank you for watching.